Welcome to TATE, where innovation meets precision in the world of welding. Today, we're showcasing our cutting-edge TATE Semiconductor Industry Tube Orbital Welding Machine, the ultimate solution for your welding needs in the semiconductor sector. Our orbital welding machine is designed to provide superior, high-quality welds for a wide range of applications, from small, delicate tubes to large, complex semiconductor systems. This machine excels in industries where precision and consistency are paramount. Whether you're working in semiconductor manufacturing, electronics, or clean pipelines, this machine delivers exceptional results every time. What sets our orbital welding machine apart is its advanced technology, providing automated, repeatable, and flawless welds, reducing human error and enhancing production efficiency. With our machine, you get precise temperature control, uniformity in welding, and a robust, reliable performance that ensures maximum yield and minimal defects. TATE's orbital welding machine offers unmatched advantages, including reduced downtime, improved weld strength, and a fully automated process that saves time and labor costs. The machine's flexibility also allows it to handle a wide range of materials and tube sizes, making it the perfect tool for industries that demand the highest standards of quality. As an industry leader, TATE's orbital welding machine is trusted by semiconductor factories around the world, setting the standard for excellence in welding technology. Don't miss out on this game-changing technology. Contact us today at TEL WhatsApp +81066 57065 or email us at info@oktate.com. Let us help you take your welding process to the next level.